Don't waste your time. Channel your energy for greatness.
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Save your time.
Opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them.
Believe in your dreams, for they are the blueprints of your destiny.
Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out.
The future depends on what you do today.
Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great.
You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream.
Your life is a canvas. Make sure you paint yourself a life that's worth admiring.
Success is walking from failure to failure, with no loss of enthusiasm.
Don't fear failure. Fear being in the exact same place next year as you are today.
Challenges are the stepping stones to success. Embrace them.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it.
The only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself.
Your attitude determines your direction.
In the journey of life, remember that every setback is just a setup for a comeback.
Don't just exist, live with purpose and passion.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
Dreams don't work unless you do.
You can't change your past, but you can create your future.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success.
In the midst of adversity lies opportunity.
The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday.
The harder you work, the luckier you get.
The difference between a stumbling block and the stepping stone is how you use it.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.
Don't let yesterday take up too much of today.
Don't be afraid to start over. It's a brand new opportunity to rebuild what you truly want.
Your time is your most valuable asset. Spend it wisely.